Sean Michael Lewis, and today I'm excited to talk about, in this video series, a very basic question that I get from a lot of service-based companies, and that is, what is SEO? And basically, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. And there's a lot of technical definitions for SEO, and I really wanted to kind of clarify it into a couple minutes, just very short and to the point. As a business owner, whether you're a restoration company or a service-based company or any kind of company, just so it might kind of articulate and be a very clear direction. Basically what it is how well are you found on the search engine? And primarily Google, because that's what most of us use. Some of us still use Bing, and occasionally we use Yahoo. But when you type in something you're looking for, how relevant are you for showing up in those search queries? And a lot of that is moving to where we're using our phone and we're saying, hey Siri, how do I find this? How do I do this? And it's all important. And a lot of people ask me, well, how do I have great SEO? How do I do this? And this is something that digital marketers for years have been trying to trick Google. And I was at an event last year, and there were some head executives and managers from Google. And at the end of the day, people were like, well, how do we do this? And how do we do this? And how do we get Google to do this and show up here? And I think, really coming from the outside of that whole world, is being a practitioner, somebody that actually does work, door-to-door sales, have a service product, I'm talking to a real person. I think I really understood this, but Google basically wants authentic, real information. It wants your pictures, it wants your videos, it wants your content. It doesn't want you copying other people's stuff and then trying to make it something, or trying to put a bunch of keyword and stuffing it into your website to trick Google. I think Google is really getting to the place where the machine itself is getting smarter and smarter, and it's looking for that authentic, relevant information so it can give people that are searching for whatever they're searching for the best answer. So what I would really encourage you to think about whenever you're working with a digital marketer is, is the information we're putting out there relevant? Is it real? Is it who we are? Is it native to what we do locally? If you're national, then yeah, how does that apply to us nationally? Some great companies, especially in my niche of restoration, that are killing it on the web from a corporate standpoint. One of them, ServPro, they do a fantastic job out there. Their digital marketing team is A+ when it comes from nationwide campaigns of just in the search engines and things like that. They've done a fantastic job about that. So a lot of people could learn from how well they've done. But I would say overall, if you are a local business and you're competing with national brandings coming into your market, having real, relevant information and just being honest with yourself and giving Google exactly what's true and what's accurate about your business. A lot of people just, they try to do it quickly in 30 days and nothing shows up. But I mean, we're seeing this over and over. Google My Business, which is the map component of Google, they're taking down fake addresses, fake listings. They don't want crap on their platform. So it's getting narrower and narrower. So SEO, basically, how well are you optimized in those search engines? How relevant are you? And how accurate are you? The closer you move to truth and honesty, the better you will do long term. And it's all about consistency. Keep talking about it with these videos. It is getting tons of traffic on all different channels, not just Google and YouTube and LinkedIn and places like that. It's just the consistency of it all working together. So that's kind of a very basic overview of just the generic SEO definition. Again, how well do you show up in the search engines? If you're not showing up, look at what kind of website do you have. Is it friendly where Google can read it? Is it something that we need to change? Maybe hire someone to do something a little more Google friendly. There's tons of templates and platforms out there that you can get on that will help with your organic reach. So hope you guys are having a great week. If you have any questions, shoot them to me, private message me, put it in the comments. Be more than happy to answer your questions in depth. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.